Hey guys, today you are going to be practicing ACES a little bit further. So we'll review introductions, introduction paragraphs, and then you're going to write some ACES paragraphs and some counterclaims. So the first thing you're going to do, there's two parts to this assignment. Part one, you're reading this passage. It's all about Dalmatians and a little bit about that breed and whether or not they make good pets and just facts, general facts about them. And the question that you're looking at is it a good idea for James to adopt a Dalmatian? So it's this little story about James, who's this 15-year-old boy who wants a dog. And you're going to look at reasons that it's a good idea for James to adopt a Dalmatian or reasons that it's maybe not such a good idea. So any reason that you find that's a good idea to adopt a Dalmatian, like good things about Dalmatians, you're going to highlight it in green. The highlight button is right here. If you hover, it says highlight color. Any reasons you find that it's not a good idea, you're going to highlight in red. Okay, so you'll read through, highlight green for good ideas, red for not. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to write just an introduction paragraph. Not ACES paragraphs, just the introduction. So it says, imagine your teacher asked you to write an argumentative essay answering the question, is it a good idea for James to adopt a Dalmatian? Write only the introduction paragraph for the essay below. Okay, so you're going to have to remember what three things go into an introduction. If you don't remember, you need to go back and find that information from last week's assignment. So there's three things that go into an introduction. What are they? And then you need to write it like you were going to write a full essay about James and the Dalmatian answering this question. Okay, so remember to end it with your thesis statement. Part two, I really want you to have fun with part two. You have some choice here. You can get creative and have some fun with it. I'm going to take you through an example. You cannot use the example that I'm giving you, okay? But it's your choice. You're going to choose two famous people or things that you're interested in, and you're going to write two ACES paragraphs and one counterclaim arguing that one is better than the other. Okay, so you could, here's some suggestions. These are just ideas. If you don't like any of these, come up with your own. You just got to tell me what it is down here. Okay, so you could choose Michael Jordan versus LeBron James. You could choose Ronaldo versus Messi, who's the better soccer player. Fortnite versus Minecraft, which is the better video game. Stranger Things versus Riverdale, which is the better TV show. But they have to be things that you can find factual information about on the internet. Like you couldn't argue, even if you think it's true, you couldn't argue like Mrs. Nelms is a better teacher than Mrs. Hawk, okay? Because you can't Google reasons for that on the internet and find evidence to back it up, okay? So it's got to be real things. The one I'm going to talk you through is who's the better golfer, Scottie Scheffler or Rory McIlroy. Okay, and that is golf. So if you're going to do that, you need to tell me which two things you're arguing and what the topic is. Okay. So your topic or question, you're going to put this into question form. Who is the better golfer, Rory McIlroy or Scottie Scheffler? Okay, that's the question I'm answering. You can also reword it to say, between Rory McIlroy and Scottie Scheffler, who is the better golfer? So however you want to word your question, that's your question. And then your thesis statement is your answer and two reasons why. If you know off the top of your head, you can absolutely just answer the question and then find evidence to back it up. If you're not sure for concretely which is better, you might have to do some research. I know off the top of my head, I'm going to answer the question that Rory's better. Okay, I'm going to say Rory McIlroy is a better golfer than Scottie Scheffler because, so there's my answer. Now I need two reasons. First of all, I know he has won more tournaments. and he's worth more money. Okay, those are my two reasons. Now I'm going to write my ACES paragraphs. My first the first answer is my answer and my first reason why. I'm just going to copy and paste that. Okay, and my second paragraph is going to be my answer and my second reason why. So Rory's a better golfer than Scottie because he's worth more money. So for my C here, so he's won more tournaments. I need to find evidence that Rory has won more than Scottie and then explain why that makes him the better golfer. Okay, so I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to look up Rory McIlroy career stats. And I'm going to look for information, and you're going to have to read and do some research. Try to stay away from Wikipedia, obviously. Okay, but you're going to go through and you're going to read different information and different websites. Okay, so PGA Tour victories, 23. He's won 23 times. That's Rory. Versus Scottie, let's go to player listings. It's alphabetical. Scottie, he's only won 5 times. Okay, and this is the official 2022-23 PGA Tour Media Guide. So he's won 5 times. Oops, here it is. So I'm going to say, according to the PGA Tour Media Guide, Rory McIlroy has and I gotta go back to Rory. And we'll use this. Let's see. So in 21 PGA Tour events and 14 European Tour events. And I'm going to copy. Whoops. It's not going to let me copy it. Okay, has won, but I need to type it word for word. McIlroy has won 21 PGA Tour events. 21 PGA Tour events and 14 European tours. Is that what it said? 14 European Tour events. And I actually went to a different website. This is from Rookie Road. And there's no author. So I'm just going to say Rookie Road. Okay, and then I'm going to explain, why does that make a good golfer? For a person to win 21 events, this shows he has consistency throughout his career. Okay, he's not just going to show up and win one time and then disappear. He's won 21 times. That's crazy. You can always count on Rory to be a first place contender. On the other hand, Scottie has only one, and I'm going to go back here, and let's look at Scottie Scheffler. How many has he won? Let's go back to this PGA Tour guide. Oh, it said 5. Okay. On the other hand, Scottie's PGA Tour victories, 5. and that's PGA Bio website. Okay. And then I'm going to explain, okay? 5 is way fewer than 21. So Rory has won way more than Scottie Scheffler. If we look at victories, it is obvious that Rory is the superior golfer. And then we sum it up. Okay, we just changed the order. We're going to start here. Because he has won more tournaments, Rory is a better golfer. Okay. Then you're going to write your second paragraph. I'm not going to write a whole second paragraph, but he's worth more money. So I would look up Rory. I know he's worth like $160 million. He's won that in earnings and sponsorships, whereas Scottie is only worth about $4 million. Okay, so I would argue about tournament victory and how much money they made for winning tournaments, plus how many sponsors are willing to sponsor them. And I would argue that if you have more sponsors, you're probably a better player. Okay, so I would argue that. Counterclaim. Now I'm gonna say why some people might think Scottie's better, but really they're wrong. Okay, so some people may believe that Scottie Scheffler is a better golfer than Rory McIlroy. Because, and I know this from the research I've done, you might have to look up a specific concrete reason, okay? Because Scottie's best score is better than Rory's. They believe this because, and I found a quote on this earlier, Scottie's lowest career low is a 59, where Rory's low is a 61. Okay, because Scottie shot a 59, where Rory's lowest round is a 61. Oops. Okay, and then I would cite my source. Running out of time, so I'm going to go kind of fast. And I would say this is not a valid argument, okay, or this is not the case because, and I would argue that one round doesn't make a difference, okay? Scottie might have won that day, but Rory, to win a tournament, you have to play 4 great rounds. So even though Scottie shot 1 round better, Rory might shoot 3 rounds better after that and still win the tournament. So 1 round doesn't make a better golfer overall. And then I would say, therefore, Rory is better than Scottie despite 1 round's score. Okay, so you're going to write 2 paragraphs. So a question you're answering, your thesis statement, you're answering your 2 reasons why. First body paragraph, you're answering your first reason. Second body paragraph, you're answering your second reason. A counterclaim, why someone might disagree with you and why they are wrong. And make sure if you're not going to choose one of these options, you tell me which one you are doing, okay? The code word is golf. So type golf right in there so I know that you have watched this video. Go ahead and get to work.